see. Are you ready to dance with me? Before I sing, before I dance, I want to introduce you this instrument here. This, no, not correct. It's called Adongo from Uganda.
Traditional Adungu and Nangahab master and singer Otim Alpha got his musical start as a wedding ceremony leader in his native Gulu city and is one of the few musicians to pass down and preserve Acholi folk traditions. In 2001, Otim Alpha and producer Leo Palayeng took the traditional Lakraka wedding music of the Acholi people of Northern Uganda and South Sudan and remade it with computer software, synths, and electronic drum kit beats. The result was a newer, hyper-frenetic electronic version known as Acholitronics. Since then, his pioneering concepts have inspired an exhilarating micro scene, synthesizing electronic sounds and traditional instrumentation into fast-paced polyrhythmic genre, prime for dance floor madness. Otim Alpha Ozaite, as we talk now, has composed tens of Acholitronics music such as Gangbe, Kidao, Tony Gi, Choromo, Shandegming, and many others, which can be found on numerous online music stores. Otim Alpha Ozaite has been singing emotional, triggering songs like a Charbine and Woody to educate people on the good life through touching the names of military and political elites who comes from the Acholi sub-region of Northern Uganda, advocating for peace return to Northern Uganda alongside Leo Palayeng. This has made Alpha a prominent figure internationally. With the Acholitronics, they are now introducing a new genre in the world. They are gifting the world a new genre. And as it is, today, Otim Alpha is into the Nilotic Hall of Fame. Congratulations, Alpha. May God bless you as you continue gifting the world with your talent. Welcome to the Nilotic Hall of Fame.
Feel la belle. Feel la belle.
Yeah, Romo, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, Joro, yeah. Hey, yeah, Romo, yeah, yeah. My way, Joro, yeah. Romo, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, Joro, yeah. Hey, yeah, Romo.